First of all, thanks to Evision and their team for the guiding me through the right path. Myself, Shiwani Bharadwaj, belongs to Bihar. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering degree with the civil streams from from Madhupur ki Mahavidyalaya, which is under of Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, Bhopal, MP. Later, I decided to do preparations for the civil services. Meanwhile, I have done my Bachelor of Education degree. One day I was searching a job on Naukri.com. Then I came across to know about the Evision Techno Server. Evision Techno Server is a IT consulting and recruitment firm. I'll join a full day online internship under guidance of IT manager and trainer. One of the best decision I have taken for my career. All the trainers are very supportive, knowledgeable, and helping in natures. Now I got job offered from the MICROLAND with the salary package of 2.8 LPA. Saying thank you is not enough for me to express how grateful I am for your support. Thank you, Evision. Evision.